At you know this is time DJ Spice been representing for Kojak Country Lifestyle. You know Kojak Country Lifestyle is coming. Check it out on YouTube. Like, share and subscribe. You know Kojak will keep you alive.
This is it, my viewer who have never seen a hurricane. This is how it looks down in Jamaica. Hurricane Beryl, 3rd of July 2024. A leap year, just like Gilbert did in a leap year. The real big part of the storm never arrived as yet. And look what's going on. This is Kojak Country Lifestyle, catching it live and direct in Jamaica, St. Catherine here. My God, Mother Nature. Hope those coconut will survive. Whoa, OMG. OMG. This is the power of the storm. Getting closer and closer over Jamaica. Covering the entire island, it seems. Forces of nature. Mighty wind of God. Whoa, OMG. Look at Mother Nature. My God, it's awesome.